Okay, so today we're going to focus on trig ratios, which is your sine, your cos, and your tan, right? So let's say we have this diagram here, which has y, x, and r, right? And we want to identify one of these trig ratios here. So let's say it's sine of theta, cos of theta, and tan of theta. And we know very well for sine, it's opposite over hypotenuse, right? Opposite over hypotenuse. So looking at this diagram here, we can tell that if we are here at sine of theta, then the opposite of this angle is your y. So you're just going to write your y, divide by, and your hypotenuse is this one, right? But because, and your hypotenuse is going to be this r here, right? So we're just going to write our r there. So that is how we identify your sine of theta. It's opposite over hypotenuse. Then coming to cos of theta, which we know it's adjacent over hypotenuse, which can be your adjacent side using the angle of theta is this part here, right? So your adjacent side is going to be this part here, which is your x. So you're just going to write your x, divide by, and then your hypotenuse side is still going to be your r, so divide by r. So that is how that is how we find your trig ratios using this diagram. So looking at tan of theta, so your tan of theta, which is opposites over adjacent. So looking at the angle of theta, the opposite side of this angle is your y value, and the adjacent side is your x value. So writing it down, we're just going to say your y over your x. So that is how we find the trig ratios using a diagram on a Cartesian plane. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, suggestions, or comments, please write them in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos.